Welcome to a beautiful winter day. Look at all the beautiful frost and snow on the branches of the trees. Little wieners, ladybug and jitterbug are getting their special grain. I've just been noticing with jitterbug she needs some extra calories. Probably wouldn't hurt to deworm her again, but oh my goodness, she looks like a giraffe right now because she's so lanky. Look at her. It's just all legs. So she's growing really, really fast. I would feel better if she had a little bit better rib cover. She's a little bit on the skinny weanling side of things. While I would definitely not consider myself to be an expert with foal raising, these are the first two foals that I have ever raised personally. And I have done a little bit of research on, different training methods, and there's so many different opinions out there on overhandling foals and underhandling foals. And well, if you overhandle them, then they're going to be really hard to train. But if you're going to underhandle them, then they're going to be really hard to handle. Do you hear the confusion in those words alone? Like, yes, it is confusing. All I know is that I'm going to love on these girls, but I'm not going to overhandle them in the sense where they don't get to just be a baby, be a toddler, be a teenager, and just learn how to be a confident young horse. Yes, I would like to have them halter trained, which they both are halter trained, but that's something that I work on every few weeks, probably less so in the winter time. It's more of just interactions like this where I rub them on their neck, I scratch them on their face or their cheeks, mostly just getting them used to being touched. I think the two key things that are important are having them halter trained and preferably hoof broke even. They need to be able to have their feet handled so that they can be trimmed properly, so that their feet and legs grow nice and straight, especially in Ladybug's case because she is our crooked foal. She needs consistent corrective trimming so that her legs aren't crooked for life. I mean, there's still a chance that she may never be a completely straight and sound foal, but I'm really hoping that with corrective trimming that she can straighten up. But that means that she needs to be handled regularly. But again, like I mentioned, I don't want to overhandle them in the sense that they just hate human interaction. But I can't say that's true for these girls. Everybody's got a little bit of a midday snack. And then I'll feed them for their true second time later on. Probably around 8 o'clock tonight. Hey you guys! You enjoying the sunshine? Look at him, he's trying to play with Gypsy's tail.
But I just really, really want to pet him.
Sure. This is dark. You can see my shadow from the full moon behind me. Absolutely incredible. Look how lit up everything is. It is 9:15 at night. And sunset's at like, I don't even know, 4:45 maybe. This is so cool. You can tell a lot by a horse's body language. Like, look at his ears. You think he's thrilled with me right now? All I'm doing is petting him, but he's not very impressed. Give him some pressure release. Just thinking about it. What do you think, bud? Yeah? Good boy. This is better than the other day. But even the way his body is, he's like got this right front leg way in my direction, as if he's ready to bolt the other way. Isn't that right, Charlie? Yeah, the pole is a sensitive place. Right? Good boy. Add some pressure. Good boy. Take it away. Ask for a little bit more. I would really like to see those ears relax, his eyes soften, his face soften. There we go, my super phenomenal patch job so far. I don't think it's done yet. If I could find some 2x6s or 2x10s, whatever fits there, put another strip here. Maybe I'll measure that piece right now. And then the inside is like this. I had put up plastic, it tore off, and so I need to figure something else out. Maybe actual tarp, and then instead of stapling it on, put a piece of board over top of the tarp and then screw it all the way in. But I'm not sure. At least it'll give them a bit better wind protection with this front on there.
Love it. Happy just do love it. I think that's
So my uncle, who is a farrier, just came out and looked at Grace's hoof again, the one that has had an abscess for a while, and she just has not been coming around all the way, and so he dug into it a little bit further, and then we packed it with Epsom salts, and then vet wrapped the Epsom salts to the sole of her foot, and then duct taped it. So she'll wear that off. Once she wears that off, I'll clean it out again, Epsom salts, vet wrap, and duct tape again until that abscess works its way all the way out. I think it's up underneath of her frog, which he agrees as well. So poor girl, she's getting there. She's just not 100% yet. So we'll keep working on it, and hopefully she'll be rideable and feeling comfortable very, very soon. So I'm thinking how it originated. She got a cut at her hairline into her hoof wall a little bit, and I think then she abscessed in that hoof wall and it drove it down right above that frog, and so it's just having a hard time working its way down. So that sole is going to grow, and that abscess is going to grow down and down and down until it completely grows out. So we'll just keep working on having it exposed, and draining is kind of the idea there.